looking good. Oh, I know. I can also make a cookie house right here. I think I had a nice pack somewhere.
Come on, you. Go, go, go! Come on! Just a little more. I can do it.
Oh, no!
Oh, Sammy, I'm so sorry. I didn't notice that it was, what was it anyway?
My piece of heart, Sue! This DoorDash whatever game has totally consumed you. You don't even make crafts anymore and I got bored. So I was in the middle of making the best portrait of myself out of Tic Tacs video game and ruined everything!
I'm very, very sorry, Sam. It's just, this game is really awesome. But you know what? You're right. I spend too much time on my phone. We should totally shift my game into reality. Let's go.
Huh? What? Hey, Sue, wait up!
Hi, guys. Today we're gonna create a real-life Fall Guys Ultimate Knockout game. Woohoo! And we'll start with making the game characters. Sammy, could you bring me the Tic Tacs, please?
Wanna freshen your breath before making the craft?
No, Mr. Smarty Pants. The Fall Guys themselves look a lot like jelly beans. But since somebody ate all the jelly beans in our house, we will use Tic Tacs today.
I don't really get it. You're just going to color this with markers?
Of course not, Sammy. That would be too easy. We're gonna use colorful clay. Now, tell me, which Fall Guy do you like the most?
I like the sporty guy. Oh, no, the chicken guy. Sue, it's too hard to just choose one.
Okay, then let's start with my favorite Fall Guy. We'll need a tiny piece of clay. I think all the Fall Guys are equally awesome. Do you agree, guys? Then give us a thumbs up.
Be careful with that sharp tool, Susie.
Oh, that's right, Sammy. That's an important point. Guys, our characters will be very small, so try not to hurt your fingers while doing all of this.
Hey, I got this! It's a French fry Fall Guy! Oh man, now I'm hungry.
And why am I not surprised? So, Sammy, how do you like my work?
It's too early to jump to any conclusions, Sue.
Okay, now we need to make the hands and feet for this little guy. Just as soon as I'm finished here, we'll need to put our player into the oven for about 25 minutes to harden the clay.
I'm happy to announce that the oven has already been preheated to 110 degrees Celsius. But you guys should remember to never ever touch the oven without your parents' supervision. Deal?
You're completely right, Sammy. Now we're gonna bake our French fry Fall Guy, so stay tuned. Aha! Guys, check him out! He's ready to rock and roll, or fall. We just need to make one tiny adjustment. Do you remember these stripes on his body? A few more additions, and he's perfect.
Hey, Susan, check this out.
Wow! Sammy, did you make these?
Yep. While your French fry guy was baking, I kept myself busy.
They look so cool, don't they, guys? Thumbs up if you agree, and feel free to subscribe to our channel. But you'd be wrong if you were thinking that making characters is the only thing we're doing today. Ta-da! We will also make a Fall Guys DoorDash map, and it's gonna be huge!
Whoa! You must like this game a lot, Sue. I think I'm gonna make a few more Fall Guys so that when the map is done, we'll have a lot of fun!
What a great idea, Sammy! In the meantime, we'll start with the base. We're gonna use hot glue to put these cardboard pieces together. This way, our characters will have a long way to go. Guys, always be extra careful with hot glue. Okay, now we have this playing field which is about 1.5 meters long. Can you imagine that?
Hey Susie, how is it going? That's one ginormous craft project.
Well, I'm almost done with the base for our DoorDash map. What's with the headband, Sammy?
Ha! It's a tiny hint about one of the characters I've just finished. That must be the oven. I'll be right back.
What would I do without my best helper ever? And this is the last part of the DoorDash map's floor. Now we can make it bright! You do remember how colorful the floor of this track is, right guys? There are 2 shades of blue and a lot of purple. Oh, I just thought that maybe we should have made this floor really soft because the little guys in the game actually fall a lot.
Yeah, these Fall Guys are not really all that smart.
Oh, Sammy. Is that a map?
I don't know. Let's find out. Excuse me?
Whoops.
What is going on here?
I just found these 2 Fall Guys you made and I couldn't resist playing with them. Guys, check them out. They're so cute and they look just like they do in the game.
Well, what were you expecting from the Master Crafter? But I'd better take them away. We don't want to let them peek at what the map is gonna look like. Cheating is no good, you know.
You're right, Sammy. Especially since I'm about to start making the doors. Let's start with the door frames. Guys, be super careful with the cutter because it's really sharp. We'll need a lot of these pieces, 1.5 centimeters wide. Because our Fall Guys will have to go through a lot of different doors before crossing the finish line.
Sue, do you have any preferences on what characters should I make now?
Looks like somebody liked working with Tic Tacs and clay, huh?
Yeah, and the best part is that I can both work and eat.
Well, I'd really like to have a pineapple guy on my team.
Pineapple it is, my lady.
Cool! Guys, check out how many door frames we've got. Now let's make them colorful. Whoosh! Awesome! Look, guys! Here we have door frames in different colors, and each color means a different level. Let's glue them to the map.
Susie, don't forget about the barriers. They'll prevent the Fall Guys from actually falling. I mean, off the track.
Oh, that's right, Sammy. Could you bring me a few straws, please?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at that! Check out this cute pineapple, guys. Sammy is a total genius.
Did you talk about me while I was gone, Sue?
I was just once again admiring your professionalism, Sammy.
Ah, okay then. Sue, I've got an idea. I'll go and ask Roger what Fall Guys he wants me to do next. I mean, he will be playing this game with us, right?
Of course! Okay, guys, look what I've made with these straws. This is just one part of the fence. We're gonna need a lot of them. Whoosh! Now we can start gluing our fence to the map.
Sue! Roger! Hi! Pirate! Astronaut!
Easy, Sammy. Breathe.
Okay. As soon as Roger heard that we're doing the Fall Guys game today, he got so excited that he promised to take part in the crafting.
Really? And how exactly is he going to participate?
Actually, he probably already finished. I'll go check on him.
Alright. In the meantime, I'll finish with the fence. Guys, we'll secure it like this all along the map's perimeter. Stay tuned. Sam, check out the cool fence that I made.
Better check out what Roger did.
Wow! Roger did a great job with these doors. They look exactly like they should. Almost. We just need to make a few adjustments. Guys, be super careful with sharp tools. Or it might be better to ask an adult to help you. Do you remember how the Fall Guys in the game hit the doors so that they blew sky high? I love this part.
I proudly present to you, Sue, and you guys, the astronaut, the T-Rex, and the pirate.
Wow, they're so cute, Sammy.
Shiver me cheddar, Susan. I've made so many characters to play the DoorDash, and you've managed to only make one door.
Well, I'm open for help here. What do you say about a little cooperation?
I'm listening.
We need to make sure that some of the doors will open while others will remain closed, right?
Uh-huh.
So we'll cut all the doors into 3 pieces, and then we'll glue some of them back. This way, no one will know which door can be opened.
Interesting. Okay, I got it, Sue. Let's rock. Whoa, Sue! This craft turned out even more amazing than I had imagined!
What? The oven again? Sammy, I thought you were done with the players.
Those are not the players.
What did this slime come up with this time? Guys, I made these arrows in advance from colorful paper. Our fall guys should be able to see when they are approaching a door, right? Ugh, what is this slime doing here? Hey, Sammy!
Here I am with the perfect finish line.
Guys, this is so cool! These are the final decorations for our map. I will glue everything now, and then we'll play.
It's Sue, Sam, and 10 Fall Guys. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! Go, go, go! I have to win this round! Ugh.
No, Sammy, it's gonna be me. I've trained a lot for this.
The doors are open! Go, go, go!
Come on, T-Rex, you have to make it! I believe in you! Come on, come on!
And I'm rooting for the pirate! He's the best!
No! It's gonna be the T-Rex! Your pirate is too much of a slowpoke.
They're almost at the finish line! This is so exciting!
Come on! Just a little bit more!
Sue, who's winning? I can't see! Tell me! Go, go! The finish line is so close!
Sam, stop! The game is over!
What?
And the winner is the astronaut.
I really wanted it to be the pirate.
Don't worry, we'll play another round.
Awesome! Whoa! Guys, this craft is definitely among the top 10 on this channel so far. It's so much fun. I hope Roger can join us next time.
Yeah, it's even more fun than playing this game on a tablet. You should try and do this craft at home.
Come on, Sue, let's do one more round.
Sure thing. Bye, guys. Give a thumbs up if you like this craft.
See you in the next videos. It's time to play.